So first off, some of you brought it to my attention that you noticed this in one of the previous episodes, and while I'm not going to address that specifically, I will answer one question. Yes, I do have a favorite car. It is the 1989 Batmobile. Undoubtedly, pure perfection. It's worth noting that my first love was the 1966 Batmobile. George Barris did an amazing job with that car. But yeah, the 89 was a fun year to drive. Hey guys, welcome to the Grease Rookie channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm Andrew, and it is all about my journey restomodding this 1965 Mustang, aka the Iron 6. And I'm doing this on a budget with rookie knowledge. I'm going to be honest with you guys, this week it's probably going to be more of a quick update video. Now, in order to explain, let's jump to the beginning of the week. I'm going to be stripping some paint. Safety first. I got one of these left. If anybody wants one, DM me. 300 bucks. Or like I'd probably trade for like a hoverboard or something like that. I don't know. Get in touch. All right, let's see how fast we can strip it and find out what's going on underneath. Now, stripping that fender revealed that both sides, in fact, have a patch panel that's been brazed in. I was hoping, going into this, that I could repair the lower section of the skins that are on these fenders. But I don't think that's the case, which is throwing a wrench into the plans. I think what at least part of the problem is this patch is sort of pulling the fender out. I don't know, but that's what I think is going on. Now, at one point in the week, I was considering just rolling with that, trying to Bondo over it and do the repairs on the inner structure of the fenders. But I realized that is the wrong thing to do. The best way to fix this is to order the lower patch panels for both sides. I think that's going to be the best thing to do. However, in doing that, it's going to make the repair a little more challenging for me because the inner brace and the lower patch panels work together. And at some point, they both have to be cut off. So I spent a lot of time, and I mean a lot of time, just looking and staring at these fenders, trying to figure out how I was going to do this repair. So here's what I think I'm going to do. I think both fenders I'm going to repair with a patch panel. I think for one of the fenders, I am going to buy an inner brace replacement to try welding on. And for the other side, I may try fabricating the brace myself because that's what I said I was originally going to do. And I kind of want to play around with that. But that being said, I do not have the lower patch panels yet. And I don't have the inner brace. What I do have is everything I need to drop out the rear end. Paint the leaf springs, replace the bushings and the shackles, and get that end of the car back in. I had mentioned earlier that I was going to be bouncing back and forth between these two projects. So it turns out I'm probably switching gears to the back end quicker than I thought. The other thing is I still want to get some more practice in MIG welding before I take on the metalwork. That all being said, I mean, this stuff could change from week to week, so I don't know. That's the plan. But I will tell you this, with the bodywork, it just takes up more time to analyze things and think about what you're gonna do. Speaking of MIG welding, I'd like to point out that it turns out, and I don't know why I didn't realize this, the majority of my practicing was done on 22 gauge steel. Most of the stuff I'm gonna be welding is probably gonna be like 18, 20 gauge. So, I ran out, picked up some scraps of 18 gauge, and we're gonna see how my spot welding is on one of these pieces, real quick. A little sloppy. Let's try one more. I mean, to me these look really dirty, but I mean, I suppose they would suffice. Let's see if I penetrate it. It doesn't look like very good penetration to me. We'll give her one more go. Much better, I think. Yeah, we got a little bit of penetration. So, I still got work to do, but I'm getting there. So we're probably going to be doing work on this end of the car. This is probably going to be my quickest video, but like I said, I would like to keep you guys at least updated, but I don't want to waste your time. All that being said, I'm not doing a cool car segment this week. Just didn't really have the time to work it in. And yeah, until the next episode, guys, take care.